In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send large videos on Gmail quickly and efficiently. If you've ever tried to send a sizable video file through Gmail, you might have encountered an error message notifying you that your file is too large to be sent as an attachment. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple solution. First, let's start by opening your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top left corner and click on the Compose button to open a new email window. Now, as you would with any regular email, fill in the recipient's email address and type in your subject line and body message. Describing your video in the message is always a good idea to give context to your recipient. Once you're done with that, it's time to bring in the star of the show, your large video file. Since Gmail restricts email attachments to a maximum of 25 megabytes, you'll need to use Google Drive to send larger files. It's seamless and integrates well with Gmail, making it a convenient tool for this task. Click on the small Google Drive icon located at the bottom of the new email window, which will open a pop-up window showing your Google Drive contents. If you've already uploaded the video to your drive, you can easily select it from there. If not, don't worry, you can also upload your video directly to Google Drive from this window. Simply click on the Upload tab, and then click Select Files from your device. Browse your computer, find the video file you wish to upload, and select it. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this might take a little while, so be patient. Once the video upload is complete, select the uploaded video and click on the Insert button at the bottom of the window. This action will add a drive link to your email, allowing your recipient to watch or download the video. Before you send your email, it's crucial to ensure that the sharing settings are correct. By default, the file may be private or only shared with specific people. To adjust this, hover your cursor over the video link and click on the Edit Link button that appears. Change the permissions to make it accessible to anyone with the link, ensuring your recipient can access the video hassle-free. Finally, with everything in place, click the Send button to deliver your email with the large video file attached with ease. Your recipient will receive the email, and all they'll need to do is click on the video link to view or download the file. And that's it, you've sent a large video using Gmail without any complications. Remember, with Google Drive, there's no need to compromise on quality or cut down your video. This method maintains your video's original format, ensuring it reaches the recipient in its best form. Happy emailing!